Digital pianos are electronic instruments that simulate the sound and feel of acoustic pianos. They offer many advantages over traditional pianos, such as portability, affordability, versatility, and convenience. In this video, we will explore some of the best digital pianos available on the market and help you find the one that suits your needs and budget. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Kawai KDP 120. A digital piano that offers a realistic and satisfying playing experience at an affordable price. It is an ideal choice for beginners and intermediate players who want to enjoy the sound and feel of an acoustic grand piano without the hassle of tuning, maintenance, and space requirements. The KDP 120 features the responsive Hammer Compact 2 keyboard action, which simulates the weight, movement, and response of an acoustic piano action. It has 88 grade-weighted keys, a springless mechanism, and a triple sensor key detection system for improved accuracy and expression. The keys have matte black and white surfaces that prevent slipping and provide a natural feel. The sound engine is based on the harmonic imaging technology, which reproduces the rich and dynamic tone of the Shigeru Kawai SKX Concert Grand Piano, one of the finest pianos in the world, and its sound is captured with full 88-key sampling and 192-note polyphony. The Kawai also offers 14 other instrument sounds, such as electric pianos, organs, strings, and harpsichord, for more variety and versatility. The KDP 120 has a powerful 40-watt stereo amplifier and speaker system that delivers a clear and balanced sound across the entire keyboard range. The instrument also has a headphone jack that supports the spatial headphone sound feature, which enhances the depth and realism of the sound when using headphones. The Kawai allows the user to connect with smart devices wirelessly or via cable. The KDP 120 has a sleek and compact cabinet design that fits in any room or space. It is available in 3 attractive finishes: Premium Rosewood, Premium Satin Black, and Premium Satin White. The instrument also has a modernized key cover appearance that adds to its elegance and style. The Kawai KDP 120 is a digital piano that combines quality, performance, and value in one package. It offers an authentic touch, a stunning sound, a modern design, and a wireless connectivity that make it a great instrument for any piano lover. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Casio PX870, a digital piano that offers a realistic and satisfying playing experience. It is the flagship model of the Privia line, which is known for its compact and elegant design. The PX870 has many features and characteristics that make it a great choice for beginners and advanced players alike. One of the main attractions of the PX870 is its keyboard, which has 88 full-size scaled hammer action keys with simulated ebony and ivory textures. The keys are responsive and adjustable, and they mimic the feel and touch of an acoustic piano. The keyboard also has a tri-sensor system that captures every nuance of your performance, as well as key action sounds and key-off simulation for added realism. Another highlight is its sound quality, which is enhanced by the Air Sound Source technology. This technology uses a 4-layer stereo grand piano sample that reproduces the rich and complex sound of a real grand piano, with damper resonance, string resonance, lid simulator, and hammer response effects. There are also 19 instrument tones to choose from, including electric pianos, organs, strings, and more. The PX870 also boasts a powerful sound projection system that consists of 4 speakers with a total output of 40 watts. The speakers are designed to fill the room with immersive and detailed sound, and they have a volume sync EQ feature that ensures a balanced sound across all frequencies. The piano also has a headphone mode that optimizes the sound for private listening. The PX870 also has many convenient and educational features that make it a versatile instrument. It has 60 built-in songs as well as 10 user songs that you can record and store. It also has a duet mode for teacher-student or partner practice. It also has a concert play mode. The PX870 is a stylish and space-saving piano that fits in any home environment. It has a sleek and modern cabinet design with a sliding keyboard cover and 3 pedals. It also has ample connectivity options, such as USB ports, MIDI ports, audio jacks, and more. The Casio PX870 is an excellent digital piano that offers a realistic and satisfying playing experience. It has a high-quality keyboard, sound, and speaker system that deliver an authentic and expressive sound. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick, Yamaha P125, is a digital piano that combines natural acoustic touch and sound in a slim and portable package. It is ideal for beginners and intermediate players who want to enjoy the authentic piano experience without compromising on space and budget. The P125 features the pure CF sound engine, which reproduces the sound of the renowned Yamaha CF3S 9-feet concert grand piano. The sound is rich, expressive and dynamic, allowing you to play with nuance and emotion. The P125 also has 24 other voices, including electric pianos, organs, strings and more, to suit different musical genres and moods. The P125 has a graded hammer standard keyboard, which mimics the feel of an acoustic piano. The keys are heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, giving you more control and realism. The keys also have a matte finish on the black keys. The P125 has a two-way speaker system that delivers clear and balanced sound in both low and high registers. The speakers are positioned on both sides of the keyboard, creating a stereo effect that envelops you in the music. You can also use headphones to enjoy the stereophonic optimizer, which adjusts the spatial distribution of sound in your ears, creating the sensation that sound is coming directly from the piano. The P125 is compatible with the Smart Pianist app, which allows you to control various functions of the piano from your smart device. You can also connect your device to the piano via USB audio input and output. The P125 is a sleek and stylish piano that weighs only 11.8 kilograms, so it is easy to carry and set up anywhere you want. It comes with a music rest, a pedal unit, and an AC adapter. The Yamaha P125 is a great choice for anyone who wants to play piano with natural touch and sound in a compact and affordable package. It offers a variety of features and functions that enhance your musical enjoyment and creativity. Number 4 on our list is Yamaha P515, a digital piano that offers a realistic and expressive playing experience. It is the flagship model of the P series, which is known for its portability and affordability. The P515 has many features that make it stand out from other digital pianos in its class. One of the main features of the P515 is its keyboard. It has 88 fully weighted wood keys with simulated ivory and ebony keytops. The keys have a natural wood feel and a graded hammer action that mimics the touch of an acoustic piano. The keyboard also has an escapement mechanism that reproduces the subtle click sensation when playing softly. The touch sensitivity can be adjusted to 5 different levels or turned off according to the player's preference. Another feature of the P515 is its sound. It has 2 premium grand piano sounds, the Yamaha CFX and the Bosendorfer Imperial. These sounds are sampled with binaural technology, which creates a realistic 3D sound image when using headphones. The P515 also has 40 other instrument sounds, including electric pianos, organs, strings, guitars, and more. The sound engine has a 256-note polyphony, which means it can play up to 256 notes at the same time without dropping any notes. The P515 also has many functions and accessories that enhance its performance and versatility. It has a built-in 2-track recorder that allows the player to record and play back their own music. It also has a Smart Pianist app that connects to a smart device via Bluetooth and provides various. The P515 comes with a music rest, a power adapter, and a sustain pedal. The P515 is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-quality digital piano that is portable and affordable. It has a realistic keyboard, a rich sound, and many features that make it fun and easy to play. The P515 is suitable for beginners, intermediate, and advanced players alike. It is also ideal for home use, studio use, or stage use. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Roland Rode 2000. A premium digital piano that combines the best of both worlds, a realistic acoustic piano sound and a versatile synthesizer engine. The Roland Rode 2000 is a stage piano that delivers unmatched performance on stage and in the studio. It has 2 independent sound engines, one dedicated to acoustic piano sounds, and another one that uses Roland's supernatural technology to produce electric pianos and other sounds. The acoustic piano sound engine has full polyphony, meaning that it can play all 88 keys without any notes dropping out. The supernatural sound engine has 128 voice polyphony, which is more than enough for most situations. The Rode 2000 also has 2 wave expansion slots, where you can download additional sounds from Roland's Axial website. The Rode 2000 has a PHA-50 keyboard, which is a hybrid of wood and molded materials. The keys have a natural feel and response, and they are also durable and resistant to moisture. The keyboard also has escapement, which simulates the click feel of a grand piano. The keyboard can be split into 8 zones, each with its own sound and settings. You can also layer up to 8 sounds for rich and complex tones. The Rode 2000 has extensive controller features, such as 8 knobs with LED indicators, 9 sliders, and 8 assignable buttons. You can use these controllers to adjust the sound parameters, effects, EQ, and more in real time. You can also assign them to control external devices, such as synthesizers, software instruments, or doors. The Rode 2000 has a large LCD screen that shows the current settings and status of the instrument. The Rode 2000 also has a variety of inputs and outputs, such as MIDI, USB, XLR, and audio jacks. The Roland is praised by many users for its excellent sound quality, playability, and versatility. Overall, the Roland Rode 2000 is a great choice for professional musicians who need a high-performance stage piano that can handle any musical genre and situation. It offers a superb acoustic piano sound, a flexible synthesizer engine, and a comprehensive controller system. However, it is not a cheap or portable instrument, so it may not be suitable for beginners or casual players who are looking for a simple and affordable digital piano. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.